We have created a very beautiful, detailed and informational worksheet, and now it's time to share it with the world. Most of the times you will be asked to either print or send it as a PDF document. This requires some more work from you.
First, you will have to see how your sheet will look in printed form. This is where the different worksheets views will come in handy. After that, you will have to set up the page and create headers and footers.
And then it is time to print it. You will learn to navigate through all the different printing options and then print or export your sheets. In some cases, before printing, you may need to take some feedback from your colleagues, so inserting explanatory comments in your cells will be incredibly handy.
As we reach the end of the course, we will talk about general application settings and how to spell check your workbooks. Make sure you check for spelling mistakes before sending it to your boss though.